This is a quick tutorial on how to join ribbon. So let's say you have a large project that you need more ribbon than what comes on the roll and you want to join it. Well, your first instinct would be to put the ribbons on top of each other and sew them straight like this. Yes, you could do that. That would work. But what that would also do is create a lot of bulk in your project. So I'm going to show you a way that you can join ribbon and it'll still look nice and neat and lay flat. You'll start by taking one end of the ribbon and cutting it in a diagonal. By cutting it in a diagonal, you're dispersing the seam throughout the width of the ribbon. Now, to line it up with the other piece of ribbon, I'll lay it down so you can see it. You're going to take the ribbon and lay it on top of the other piece. And I know you can't see that, but this is how it looks before. You're going to lay it on top, and you're going to use that as a pattern to cut the other side of the ribbon. So I'm going to hold it up, and I'm going to cut the other side of the ribbon. So now you have two pieces of ribbon, and they kind of look like they should be together like this. So that's pretty much what you want. That gives you almost a seamless join. So to join the ribbon, you're going to take one ribbon and you're going to fold it across on the other ribbon. Now when you fold it, it's going to look like an L shape. That's exactly what you want it to look, like an L. So you're going to take the ribbon and you're going to pin it in place. And you're just going to simply stitch a small seam allowance across the end. I'm using a light colored thread on this navy blue ribbon so that you can see what the work looks like once I stitch it. Now this is what your work should look like once it's stitched. You see the stitching's not straight, but it's there. And when you fold it out, of course, if you were using a navy thread, you wouldn't see this at all. And when you fold it out, if that was navy thread, and now you have one continuous seam, and you just press this down, and now you can use a grosgrain ribbon or any ribbon that you have, and this is how you can join it. And as you see on the other side, you have a very small seam allowance, and therefore it's not bulky all the way over. You can just press it down flat on one side, and that way it'll be nice and smooth on the other side. And as you can see, it turned out rather nice. There's what it looks like. So I hope this tip has been helpful on how to join ribbon so that it doesn't look bulky. So I hope you try this. Happy sewing!